Behind all the fun Moonton has been giving us lately through events and free skins, there's actually a bigger issue they're dealing with, an identity crisis. There's a Mobile Legends leaker who's been well known in the community for a long time, Ace Unial, or X Unial, whichever you prefer. He posted something on Twitter/X saying that Moonton is currently confused about the direction of Mobile Legends' future. Not only that, he also mentioned that Moonton is going through a cycle of replacing old employees with new ones. He said this actually happens every year. But because of this rotation, upcoming updates might end up feeling unique or even weird. And this word weird is what makes people wonder, where exactly is Mobile Legends heading? Will the game be pushed far away from its original concept as a simple and lightweight MOBA? Because as we all know, Moonton has finished testing 10 new battlefield effects. And this update will very likely be released to the original server, especially since it has already entered the voting phase. Usually, once it reaches this stage, it's almost guaranteed to be launched. If you ask whether those effects are strange or not, honestly, they're not strange at all. From my own experience trying them, the effects just make the gameplay more exciting and lively. But yeah, they do make the game a bit more complex compared to the current ML. The real issue is that these new effects are considered too similar to features that already exist in another game. In fact, some players say the designs are so recognizable that they immediately know they came from the other game. As a result, comments like "this looks like that game," or "pretty sure this feature already exists over there," keep popping up. If you check the comment sections of ML update videos, there will always be at least 1 to 2 people saying that. So if every update Moonton releases keeps getting compared to another game, then what makes Mobile Legends truly different? The atmosphere might still feel unique, but people will still focus on the similarities, not the identity of ML itself. When you think about it, instead of making updates that seem like copies, wouldn't it be better if Moonton fixed the two biggest issues players always complain about? Unfair matchmaking and the pick crawl system that still causes players to clash or fight over roles. We as players can analyze these problems easily, so how come Moonton's huge team can't? Seriously, Moonton has been in the game industry for over 10 years. Do they really want to keep being labeled as copycats? The game is still fun, and the competitive scene is still active. But sometimes that fun gets ruined when the dark system starts acting up. If it weren't for the free skin events, the daily login numbers might have already dropped a lot. At this point, it feels like only loyal players who've invested their time and money are still sticking around. So hopefully Moonton can start improving from the inside, fix the major issues first, and steer Mobile Legends in the right direction.